So they say this bird is a fisherman. He's got a piece of bread. I don't know how skilled he is. He's thinking about it, I guess. Oh, there he goes. He threw it. I see activity under the water. There are fish there. Oh, they're going after it. Wow. Wow. Oh, he didn't like that. Oh, it was getting away from him. Okay. Oh, look. He says, hell no. Nope. I need this, buddy. Take my bread. He took that bread away from that turtle. Okay. Is he done? So far, not a lot of success. There's turtles everywhere. Oh, he had it out there. They're after it. Oh, holy shit.